The post, Demystifying Linearization, a guide to simplifying complex equations. Excerpts. We began with a complex, nonlinear equation that was difficult to handle directly. By focusing our attention on small deviations around a stable point of equilibrium, we used a key mathematical approximation, the heart of linearization, to derive a much simpler linear equation. This technique is not just an academic exercise, it is a fundamental tool used across science and engineering to analyze the stability of everything from electrical circuits and chemical reactions to planetary orbits. You now have a foundational understanding of this method, empowering you to peer into the behavior of complex systems and transform complexity into clarity. Programmatic demo, stability analysis of reaction diffusion equations, linearization demonstrating growth and decay. Relevant file, the linearization method applied to a nonlinear, time-dependent reaction diffusion equation around a stationary solution.